Ladies and gentlemen, as we prepare for takeoff, please turn off all electronic devices.
You've probably heard this announcement countless times while flying, but have you ever wondered why? In this video, we'll explore how airplane mode works and what could actually happen if you don't turn it on. What is airplane mode? Airplane mode, also called flight mode, is a setting on most smartphones that disables the wireless communication capabilities. You can activate it by tapping the airplane icon in the quick menu that appears when you swipe down from the top of your screen. What exactly does airplane mode do? When you activate airplane mode on a smartphone, the device's software disables all radio frequency signal transmission technologies, including cellular telephony, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth. This effectively turns off the RF transmitters, preventing the phone from sending or receiving calls, messages, or data. Airplane mode also conserves battery life by reducing power consumption as it turns off all transmitters. This is particularly beneficial during long flights when charging options may be limited. What can I still do while in airplane mode? Airplane mode doesn't make your phone completely unusable, so you still can play offline games, take photos and videos, use text editors, spreadsheets, and note-taking apps, use alarms or calculator, watch movies, listen to music, or read ebooks you've downloaded before the flight. What is airplane mode for? Have you ever heard that buzzing sound near speakers when your phone is nearby? That's from your phone's radio signals interfering with electronics. Now, imagine this happening on an airplane. While it won't affect modern navigation systems, it can still distract pilots. That's one of the reasons passengers are asked to switch to airplane mode. The Federal Aviation Administration and airlines may seem overly cautious with the airplane mode rule. Although there's no conclusive scientific evidence or recorded incidents proving interference, the risk is theoretically possible, so it's better to be safe than sorry. What really matters is that using a phone in flight can cause problems on the ground. When a phone is out of signal range, it increases its signal strength to connect to the nearest cell tower. Now picture 500 phones trying to connect from 30,000 feet up. This could cause significant disruptions to the cellular networks below, potentially leading to communication issues on the ground. Airplane mode isn't just for flights. It has several benefits on the ground. It stops annoying notifications and vibrations while you sleep, helps your phone charge faster by pausing background network activities, saves battery life by reducing energy usage, resets your connection and can fix network issues, prevents unexpected roaming fees when traveling abroad, and boosts security by disconnecting from risky networks. And now for the main question, what if I forget to turn on airplane mode? Many flights operate safely every day, even if some passengers forget to turn on airplane mode. While phones rarely cause interference with aircraft systems, it's still wise to enable airplane mode for a few reasons. It helps you pay attention to the pre-flight safety briefing. It prevents overloading ground cellular networks. It allows for a more relaxed travel experience. So, while forgetting isn't critical, turning on airplane mode is a simple way to enhance safety and comfort for everyone on board. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we will help you make the most of technology.